In this video, we will see how to map a network drive on Windows 11 computer. So I have logged on to Windows 11 computer. In order to map the drive, right click this PC and you will see the option as map network drive. So click on this option and then you will get this window to fill the details about the network drive. So the first thing that we need to select is the drive letter. So here you will see the list of all the letters that are available. So you can select any letter. Then the next thing is we need to provide the complete path for the folder that we want to map. So I've already created a shared folder locally on this computer. So to get the path for the shared folder, right click the folder and go to properties, then go to the sharing tab, and in the sharing tab you will find network path. So this network path you need to copy and paste in the map drive window. So I'll copy this path and then let me paste the path. So the folder path will always start with 2 backslash followed by the name of the computer which is hosting the shared folder, followed by backslash and then the path to the folder. Then after typing the folder path, we have two more options here. So the first option is reconnect at sign in. So what this option will do is it will allow you to access the map drive even if you sign out and sign in back to the computer. So it's always recommended to select this option. The next option is connect using different credentials. So you can access this map drive using the same set of username and password with which you have logged on to this Windows 11 computer. But if you want to use a different account, a different username and password, then you will have to select this option. If you select this option and then click finish, it will prompt you for the username and password for the different account. So right now I'm going to access network drive with the same account. So I'm not selecting this option. And then once all the details are filled, then click on finish. After clicking on finish, if the mapping is successful, then it will open the map drive. To check if the drive is mapped or not, click on this PC. Under network locations, you will see the map drive. If you want to remove a map drive, then what you can do is you can simply right click the map drive and click on the option disconnect. And then the map drive would be removed from your computer. So this way very easily you can map a network drive to Windows 11 computer. If you found this information useful, then please subscribe to IT tutorials. You can also check the Windows 11 playlist on this channel. Thank you.